How's it going, everyone? So today I want to talk about how to fix your posture and have a straight back. So got this question from a subscriber. We're going to go over this right now, you guys. Before we begin though, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support and it helps my channel grow. Also, if you guys are interested in online personal training from me, my email is in the description box. Send me a quick email and we can talk more details. So let's get started. Your posture isn't what it needs to be. You might be a little bit hunched over. You might not have the best posture. You may be thinking you need to improve it. You want to get that straight vertical back. So how can we go about doing this, and why is the reason that you have poor posture to begin with? Because I can always help you guys fix the problem, but before we fix the problem, we need to understand why you are getting that problem to begin with. Because if I just give you tips on how to fix the problem, what's going to happen is that if you keep doing that, the problem is going to come back eventually. So we need to understand first, why do you have poor posture? The reason why we have poor posture, and it's a very simple reason, is because the way society is nowadays. We are all lazy. That is right. Not all of us, but 99.9% of the population is lazy. What do I mean by that? Our civilization, our culture, the way that we are nowadays is that we sit throughout the day. 9-10 hours a day during work, we sit. How many people have office jobs? A lot of population have office jobs. Yes, there are people that do jobs where they stand up all day and they're walking around, they're moving around. That's awesome, but that's not 99% of the population. 99% of the population sits down, and that is how we are. That is why we have poor posture. Again, the biggest reason, sitting at a desk, what happens is that you're constantly hunched over. Our backs, the way that we are as people, we were not meant to sit down and be hunched over. The way that we are as people, we were meant to go out, get food, gather the food, hunt. We were meant to be on our feet all day. That is what we were meant. And over time, we progressed as a civilization, and this is where we were at. And this is why we are experience very poor posture. It's the way we are. So how do you fix that? You can't just quit your job. Well, you could if you wanted to, but let's just say you didn't want to. You want to continue doing your job. What can you do to fix that? The biggest thing I recommend is during your breaks, if you do sit down a lot during your breaks, because we all have 5, 10 minute, 15 minute coffee breaks, stand up, maybe go for a walk around, do a walk up the stairs, do something during your break that does not involve you sitting down. If you're the kind of person that sits down for 15, 20 minutes during your break and you have a snack, you're eating unhealthy food, get up, have a healthy snack, walk around, you guys. Do something that doesn't involve sitting. That is why you're experiencing these posture problems. Another reason why you're experiencing these posture problems. So let's just say you have the desk job. You sit all day long. What happens when you get home? And I hope this isn't you guys. You get home, you sit on the TV, or you watch TV all day long. This is what happens. You watch TV. Why is this bad? You are sitting now in an uncomfortable couch. The way that couches were designed does not meet our back support. We want good back support, you guys, and couches do not provide the best back support. Even recliners are awful for back support, you guys. The basic is you do not want to be sitting all day long. If you do the desk job, that's fine. There are ways around it. During your breaks, get up, walk around, stretch out your back. If you're constantly on your feet all day, that's amazing, you guys. When you get home, try to still be active as well. Try not to be sitting as long as possible. So that is the reason why we have bad posture, and it's the way we are as a civilization. It's because the way we sit. You need good posture. You need perfect posture. And even if you are sitting all day long and you have the best posture, it's still good to get up to stretch. Okay, so how do we fix it? You guys now know you need to sit up, you need to stand. You can't be sitting all day. So how do we fix it? So what happens is your chest is caved in a little bit, your back is hunched over. That's the problem, your back is hunched over. So how do we fix that problem? You guys may be thinking, well, this may be pretty tough to fix. The answer is that we need to get your back muscles to come back. We need them to come back. So how do we get them? How do we get our back muscles to now come back to the posture that we want? Because we want posture like this. We want to have vertical posture. We don't want hunched over, none of this stuff. We want vertical posture. The only way to do that is to strengthen the muscles of the back so they pull back. Now, This is exactly the same reason why when people exercise, if you do a ton of benching movements, not a lot of horizontal pulling, vertical pulling, what's going to happen is your chest is going to cave in. Why is that? You're not balancing your physique, you're not doing the proper movements. So your chest will cave in. That is why people recommend a balance of your pull-ups, your pull movements and your chest movements, so your posture stays relatively the same. You develop a nice balanced physique. So the exercise I'm going to recommend to get your posture back even is going to be band pull aparts. As simple as that. What you're going to do is get a band, and all you're going to do is retract your scapula. Very easy, you guys, retracting your scapula. Now, what people don't know is that your scapula, it's your back, you guys. So the biggest way to contract it, or the best way to contract it, in my opinion, I will show you guys, is to imagine someone is putting a pen or pencil. I actually have a pen right here and I can show you guys. The best way to do this is if someone is putting a pen in between your shoulder blades and you want to hold it there. I don't know if I can do this, but so if you guys see my back, again, I can't do this. You want to imagine that you're holding the pen in between your back like this. So you guys can see, retracting your scapula. So imagine the band and imagine me pulling it apart. So here, pull it apart. Here, pull it apart, hold that pen. So you can see, I'm trying to hold the pen in the back. And again, you guys can see when I'm doing this with my back, if my chest is caved in and I start going like this, my back muscles, guess what? They're going to start to come back. We're going to get good posture, you guys. That is the main thing, the best exercise that you can possibly do to fix your posture problems. It is hands down the best. And that is the only exercise I'm going to recommend, because that is the only exercise that you guys need. You guys do not need me giving you 500 different exercises to do, because that is going to be the most important one. That will fix your problems. People want to know sets, repetitions, how many times to do it per day. I recommend doing it around 50 repetitions, or however many that you can do. Don't do more than 50. Doing more than 50 is not going to help you, but try to, with your back, your rear delts, you can train them every single day using a band, and it's not going to hurt you at all. So I recommend doing it every single day. Do about 50 pull aparts. And again, depending on how much resistance you use, you may not be able to get 50. That's completely fine. Use 20 or only do 10. If you can only do 10, that's perfectly fine. Do 10, 20, 30, whatever you can do the first day. Over time, try to increase that a little bit until you're doing more. And over time, what you're going to notice is your back, if you're hunched over, it's going to start getting like this, you guys. You're going to be amazed, and it will work. So that's what I recommend. Simply do as many as you can, up to 50, and then just keep doing that every single day, and that will fix your problems. So end the video. Please subscribe to my channel. If you guys haven't already, please like the video and share it. Thank you for watching.